can, you know what? Let me just move my car.
Yeah, and then I can put it anywhere up here you want.
Yeah, then because you know, got the. But if there's anything wrong on there, they'll say call me.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you to call them.
Yeah.
Because I.
Looks cool, you know? Well, that's it. You can't really see it, but this is the roofing for the pergola. When it first showed up, I was like, I'm pretty sure I didn't order this black and brown checkered metal roofing. Then I realized, yeah, dumbass. It's right there, so it's all black, right in the middle, right down there. I think there's 7 sheets. Today we are installing the sheet metal roofing for the pergola. We got 7 sheets, 170 inches in length, 38 inches wide, but overlap this first rib. So they basically work out to 36 inches wide. So me and my dad will be popping those on. So let's get to it. I think we should just line them up. Just toss them up there and drill them in. So here's our screws. I had to order these on Amazon because Menards was out of them, or it took like a week to get them. Of course, you hit up Amazon, they're here in, 2 days, half the price. That seems about enough towards the house.
Okay, now.
And I'll flush with
This board. Good. I'm gonna start screwing it.
sure. That's my point was that first screw you can use as a pivot to now line this one out.
I'll just do the other ones further out, and if we gotta move these over, we gotta move them over.
Alright, well let's, you don't want any holes in it, right?
I mean, it's not like it's leaking in your house.
Well, you don't want it leaking out. Yes, John?
This one, just do it further in the middle, so if it overlaps, well.
I'll go up there and do it.
It's like a full inch off. I'll tell you what, let's put them all on so we can see how they line up,
Oops.
Okay, now that one lines up better. Still, it's like a little bit off. These things do not line up exactly right. Each one goes a little further down. I think you got to cut them anyway. You're going to put a gutter on there, right?
Somehow.
I don't think that's the problem. I think the house,
Yeah, is like not square.
something like that.
Does look cool though. Here, I got it here. And then we'll hold on. Get that. There we go. Alright.
Alright, so I'll assume it's down here and all it's gonna, like get over
From where?
from down here, it goes like, whoop. So it looks like shit. So I think we just gotta push them up and you're gonna have to cut these off. I'll hold
Chalk line?
the chalk line and you snap it. We're already done with this one,
Yeah, we're going to the third.
right? Okay. Might have to re-chalk soon, but the first one,
One, two, three. One, two, three.
let's chalk it up. Pull it tight.
One, two, three. Need like a bucket, magnetic bowl, quick or efficient or something like that. One more.